Follow the 6 rules if you want to fast effectively without any drain of energy. क्यों ये इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है? हम कुछ भी थोड़ा सा खा रहे हैं और हैवी होने लग रहा है हमारा स्टमक. क्या आपको भी ABC होता है, एसिडिटी, ब्लोटिंग, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, और उसके लिए कभी लेक्सेटिव ले लेते हैं और कभी कोई एंटी एसिड ले लेते हैं या डॉक्टर से पैंडी सब्सक्राइब करा लेते हैं. सो इन सब का रीजन क्या है? क्यों ये इतनी प्रॉब्लम हो गई है? हम कुछ भी थोड़ा सा खा रहे हैं और हैवी होने लग रहा है हमारा स्टमक और हमें खाना खाने के बाद नींद आने लग जाती है और लगता है वी आर ईटिंग हेल्दी फूड, स्टिल why we are suffering these digestive issue. I will guide you how we can heal with ancient wisdom with modern lifestyle. Hi, I'm Twinkle Kansal, your gut's best friend, where I believe in reclaiming youthful energy for timeless vitality. So let's see how digestion is playing on our lifestyle. You know that how much percentage of energy is consumed by digestion? Yes, 80% of our energy is consumed in a digestion. और हमारा सारा दिन इन 80 से क्या 100% हमारी एनर्जी जाती है what to eat, what not to eat, what is healthy, what is organic, what is gluten free, what is sugar free. We keep on keto diet, something or the other, we keep on looking at these trending terms. So what is missing in our lifestyle is the number one reason is fasting. आपने देखा होगा when animal falls sick, dog, cow, तो क्या करते हैं सबसे पहले? They go on, any guess? Rest and fast. They don't eat anything and go on resting mode. So why this fasting is important? To reset your body for repairing, rejuvenation and restart button. Even ये Japanese scientist ने भी prove कर दिया है in 2016 that autophagy, where our dead cells eat their own cells and our system goes on cellular repairing by eating its own dead cells. जब हम फास्टिंग करते हैं और हमारी बॉडी स्टार्वेशन पे चली जाती है इन अ कंट्रोल्ड मैनर, आवर बॉडी रिपेयर्स इटसेल्फ. यस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, एंड हमारे इंडियन फिलॉसफी में तो हमारे ऋषि मुनि, जैनिज्म, बुद्धिज्म, इवन हमारी नानी दादी, दे ऑलवेज फास्ट. और हमें लगता था दिस इज अ वेरी रिचुअल, दिस इज भगवान हमें मारना थोड़ी चाह रहे हैं, हमें भूखा थोड़ी रखना चाह रहे हैं. व्हाई वी शुड फास्ट? So stay till end. I will guide you how you can do fasting without starvation. I will give you different levels and tell you what you can eat and what to avoid so that you won't have any digestion issue or your acidity, bloating or even headache. So let's see what all we can eat in this fasting. Effective fasting करने के लिए I will give you 4 levels of fasting. Wherever you are, you can start from that, and you don't have to do fasting कि आपको थकावट हो रही है, headache हो रहा है, because I will guide you with my effective remedies. So level 1 is your dry fasting, where you don't drink or eat anything apart from oxygen. Number 2 is water fasting, in that you only drink water throughout the day. And number 3 is you can have 1 or 2 fruits, no salt. Number 4 is maybe you are on the starting phase. One time you can have fruit and 1 meal a day, which has your millets, samak ke chawal, pumpkin ki sabji. If pumpkin is not available, you can go for aloo or sweet potato. So this is one time salt diet. Whatever level you are, do it in a happier manner and trust this process. और एक दिन पहले आप अपनी शुगर, कैफीन, अल्कोहल, मीट, ये सारे इन्फ्लेमेटरी सब्सटेंस अगर बंद कर दोगे, इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू बिकॉज इट क्रिएट्स more craving and this is heavy on your gut. And read these instructions I have given below. Follow the 6 rules if you want to fast effectively without any drain of energy. Number 1 is practice meditation. Number 2 is drink 3 to 4 glasses of water empty stomach. नंबर 3, डू प्राणायाम। जो वेल ऑक्सीजनेटेड बॉडी है वो कभी थकेगी नहीं एंड इट विल हेल्प यू टू एलिमिनेट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड टॉक्सिन्स. Number 4 is drink coconut water, herbal tea, and with that you can have small amount of date, raisins or some banana, anar, seasonal fruit, whatever is seasonal to your area. You are from India or abroad, so look whatever is seasonal and fresh for you. And number 5th rule is if you are hungry, then you can have one meal with salt with any seasonal vegetable like pumpkin, aloo, raw banana or sweet potato. If samak ke chawal is not available, you can go for buckwheat rice or buckwheat seeds, buckwheat atta and samak ke rice with some vegetables. And what to avoid? Just follow 4 things: no alcohol, no caffeine, no sugar and no fried food. And keep your day light, not hectic one. जो ज़्यादा आप काम करना है, शेड्यूल योर सेल्फ. यू कैन डू पहले या बाद में, एक दिन से कुछ नहीं होएगा. गिव योर सेल्फ दैट स्पिरिचुअल डे वेयर यू आर कनेक्टेड विद इन योर सेल्फ and practice more meditation and read some spiritual books. Not heavy workouts, no hectic lifestyle. Get well soon, my friends. Join the group and you will keep on getting the reminders and support from me. My clients are doing it for last 5 to 6 years and they have seen the change with their body, with their digestion, with weight loss and reversing their disease with ancient wisdom, with modern wellness. I'm Twinkle Kansal, your gut's best friend, where I want to help you to heal naturally. No medication, no dieting is required to live a younger, energetic, timeless vibrancy.